Come travel with me to stay at the Barceló Royal Level Adults Only in Lanzarote. So my flight is around 6 o'clock from Shannon, so I'm leaving Galway at about 4:30, 5, just to get there with plenty of time. There's never queues or anything, so I always wander around duty free. I picked up a Sol de Janeiro spray. I'd never actually used one before and I loved it. And of course I needed my pre-flight Prosecco because I'm in holiday mode. It was Baltic as expected while we were waiting to board the plane. But once we were on the plane, the holiday excitement just started and I just could not wait. 4-hour journey, about 4.5 hours. And I slept through majority of it, so it zoomed by. There is no better feeling than when you open that plane door and you feel that heat hit you. I've traveled to the Lanzarote airport numerous times and it's always just really, hassle-free and quick. It was very easy to get a taxi. It's very well organised. And this is me pulling up to the brand new Barceló Hotel. I was so excited to stay here. The reception area, which is this, is phenomenal. Everything about this hotel is big and grand and just looks. This is a 4-star and I don't know what it was missing to be a 5, but this is the interior area of the reception, which has an outdoor huge terrace area overlooking the main commune pool. And then the adults only royal level pool is way off over to the side. The best way to describe this hotel is like, imagine a capital E sideways. It is so big. You have absolutely no comprehension of how gigantic this place is until you're in it. So once I had checked in, I got a drink while I was waiting for them to finish up getting my room ready and wandered around just the reception area just to kind of get my bearings of where everything is. They do give you a map, which is super handy because, like I said, this place is massive and it has all the different opening times for all the restaurants. And they also let you know about the app that you can download. As I mentioned, this place is huge, so they do bring you in a buggy to your room, which is a really nice touch. But at the same time, I can't imagine just getting there and having to lug my suitcase there. Now, you do have to walk back to reception when you're checking out, but this was just a really nice premium feel touch. It is a bit confusing, the layout of the hotel, because every corridor looks the exact same. Every floor looks the exact same. So it does take a while to sort of figure out where you are and how to get around the hotel and where your room is and what the best route is. But I specifically requested a room that was down by the infinity pool in the adults only area, which was quite far away from the reception area, but I knew that. I knew I'd be at the pool more than I would be in reception. This is the room itself. I went for a swim-up pool because I wanted to have my own little pool. What I like about the layout is it's really open plan. So when you come in the door, to your right is this little seating area and then the toilet. And then separate to the toilet is around the side of it where your kitchenette is. This is your sinks and your shower, which has an open plan view of the bedroom. So a lot of light does come in. The beds are super, super comfy. And you do get these Barceló towels. There's a nice couch at the bottom, your TV and your fridge. And then this is the outdoor area. What I will say is these pools are not heated. They are freezing cold. And that took some amount of adjustment. But just having this little pool to yourself every evening really made all the difference. And to me, I did feel like it was worth it. It is a more expensive room, but I enjoyed it. I loved the breakfast here every day. I will have a separate video on the food and the dining options and the drink options in the hotel, but they had fresh churros every morning, which I loved.